acupuncture helps improve the function of different organs, adrenal gland, thyroid gland, ovaries, different kind of endocrine organs. So you have balanced hormones. So you don't have estrogen dominance condition or low testosterone. You build stronger muscle, you increase your metabolism. So I want to show certain acupuncture points or acupressure point for leg pain, sciatica pain, irritated by tight muscle, herniated disc, protrusion of the disc, or after surgery there will be scar tissue, making the muscle shortened and less elastic than before. For this lady, she's a very busy lady. She stands for a longer time and the muscle on the back get tighter, and then it irritates the nerve root from the back. So this area, this leg area, is the nerve root come from L4, 5, S1. So when the nerve root irritates by the tight muscle, then she would have the leg pain. The pain is not persistent. It comes and goes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so the pain get worse when you stand for too long or sit for too long, right?
That's correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
When you walk, do you think you feel a little better?
Yeah, definitely when because I walk a lot, so when I walk, it definitely feels better.
Yeah, that's differentiate from the disc problem, spinal stenosis, and muscle issue. When you can walk and relieve your pain, that means you either have very tight muscle, irritates the nerve, or your SI joint out of alignment, so your muscle kind of protectively get into spasm. So in that two situation, with the needles, we can do the back local point, or we could do the front point. So we have the points here around the knee, below the knee. So this point is old points, not from traditional textbook. It's called 肾关. And then also the other points, this point just above the inner corner of the kneecap. So this is another point to helping relax the muscle there. But at the meantime, it also help to bring the blood flow to your legs to relax the muscle in the leg. So when the nerve get compressed for longer time, then your circulation will be compromised in the leg and the nerves can be irritated. So if this condition lasts too long, then you can develop a dropping foot. So when people have dropping foot, they are gonna limp, and then they drag their ankle, the foot, which has the nerve damage. So we can do the points around the leg, like around the cleat tendon, between this tip of the medial ankle bone and cleat tendons in the middle between these two landmarks. And there is a point we can use to help bring the blood flow here. And not only that, this point plus the other very famous point called Spleen 6. So you find the medial ankle bone on the top, put your forefingers above, and then find the tibial bone just behind the tibial bone, and 4 fingers above the tip of the medial ankle bone. You have another spot. This spot not only helping the leg muscle, but also it helps to strengthen your digestive system. You can absorb the minerals and other nutrients better, and that way you can produce more balanced hormones. And that hormones will help women to fight insomnia, hot flashes, night sweat, or indigestion, acid reflux. So there is a European study. They did a study on this specific point, spleen 6. So women who were diagnosed as breast cancer, and they joined this acupuncture treatment once a week, but they went home, they do self-needling for just this one point, spleen 6, and they will do this point every day for 20-30 minutes. And the hot flashes, night sweat after the chemo radiation therapy reduced dramatically. So that's a very important information, because when you treat breast cancer and you block all the estrogen, so your estrogen level is very low, and that will make your skin wrinkle up, your muscle weaker, and you couldn't sleep. You have artificially induced insomnia. And by using this point after menopause and after chemo and radiation, it helps your sleep, digestion, and also bring the hormone a little bit more balanced, so you won't be irritated without sufficient sleep. So when you have back pain, digestive issue, hormone issues, you can use certain point, just group a couple of points to address leaky gut, to address hormone imbalance, insomnia. It's all connected. So if you tried all the medication, you tried exercise, you tried meditation, it's still not helping to get a sufficient effect. So come to acupuncturist, have once a week treatment or twice a week, combining acupressure with those points, or even self-needling, then you get the best result with the least time and the least money. Thank you. If you tried other methods and you still have health issues, you should try acupuncture to see how it works, and combining the herbs, you can save money and time, be healthier and happier in 2024.